Hey, this is Emily from supplyhouse.com, and in this video, I'll talk about the Honeywell V8043F1036 zone valve. The Honeywell V8043F1036 3/4 inch sweat zone valve controls flow to specific zones of closed-loop hydronic heating systems. Be sure to use this valve in only closed-loop hydronic systems that do not contain dissolved oxygen in system water. The valve consists of a replaceable actuator and a valve assembly. It has screw-in terminal block electrical connections and manual opener for valve operation on power failure. The valve returns to the automatic position when power is restored. The compact construction makes installation and service easy. The actuator motor may be replaced without removing the valve body or draining system, and the complete power head may be removed or replaced without breaking plumbing line connections for the draining system. The 24-volt valve can handle fluids between 40 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit, has a flow capacity of 3.5 CV, and is 4 inches tall by 3 1/3 inches wide by 2 3/8 inches deep. For more information, visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.